What's the meaning of artistry? Artistry. Artistry.
Artistry. Artistry. Artistry refers to the skill, creativity, and imaginative ability that an artist possesses. It involves the application of technical skills and creative imagination to produce something that is aesthetically pleasing and captivating. The result of artistry is a work of art that can take many forms, such as a painting, sculpture, music composition, literature, or performance. Artistry requires practice, dedication, and a deep understanding of the medium in which one chooses to express their creativity. Ultimately, the result of artistry is a unique and impactful expression of human emotion, thought, and experience.